Here I have HUAWEI Y6 2018, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. Okay, let's start with tapping on settings and then go to apps and notifications. Now let's go straight to the apps, and here we have small three dot menu. Let's tap on it and let's tap reset app preferences. Here we can read whole notification and confirm by tapping reset. Okay, the operation is done. Now our preferences of our applications has been restored to default. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a like under the video.